Hey guys, this is John Manchetta and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at the newest entry-level smartphone from Honor, and it's the Honor 8S. So this is the newest entry-level smartphone in the Philippines, and yes, it does have an interesting specifications inside. So we got here a Helio A22 quad-core processor, a 5.71-inch HD Plus full-view display, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage. There's a 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera. There's the LTE, dual SIM, and of course it comes with EMUI 9 based on Android 9 Pie, and it comes with the 3020 milliamp hours of battery. So the price of the smartphone is very affordable at 5,490 pesos. It won't break the bank, I'm pretty sure of that. And of course, this one is very affordable for the Filipino consumers. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox and let's take a closer look at the Honor 8S smartphone. Alright guys, so you're looking at the Honor 8S. So time to unbox this smartphone. There we go. So we have here the smartphone. So as you can see here, it's a beautiful entry-level smartphone. Look at that. You gotta love the design of the Honor 8S in here. Okay, so time to unbox. We got here the pin, the quick start guide, and also the warranty card. We also got here the charger, which is rated at 5 volts 2 amperes. It comes with micro USB cable and also the basic earphones. Now we've unboxed the smartphone, so let's check out the smartphone itself. So give us a few minutes and we'll set it up so we could check out the Honor 8S. Alright guys, so you're looking at the Honor 8S. So as you can see here, we got here a dual texture phone body. I do like the design of the smartphone. I mean, we got a textured part over here and then a plain one over here, but this one is actually just a single plastic back. And yes, there's no glass in here. There's no fancy or unique. No, it's actually unique, but not a fancy glass or something like that. This one is actually plastic. Well, I mean, I have no problems with it. I have no complaints with it. It does look fine to me. I actually like the design of this one. It's very unique. And yes, it's an entry-level smartphone, so don't expect a glass back on the Honor 8S. So we also got here the 13 megapixel rear camera, the LED flash, of course the Honor logo over here, the power button, the volume rocker, and on the other side there's the SIM card tray, which houses the dual SIM card slot and the micro SD card slot. At the top we got here the microphone pinhole, and then of course we got here the 3.5mm audio jack, and below we got here the micro USB port and also the speaker grill. So in the front we got here a really nice 5.71-inch full-view Dewdrop display. It's not a perfect display, but it's actually pretty fine to me. The colors are really nice. However, I believe this isn't the brightest display that I can find on an entry-level smartphone. It does look cooler. I mean, it's bluish, slightly bluish to me, but it's fine. I mean, the colors are still popping out on this one, surprisingly. And 5.71, well, it isn't as big as most smartphones these days, but 5.71-inch, I think that will do for some gaming. So yeah. We also got here the 2 gigs of RAM and of course the Helio A22 quad-core processor. And yes, it does look like similar to the Huawei Wi-Fi 2019, but we got here the Honor logo below. So yeah, it's not Huawei, it's Honor, but they're actually sister companies. Anyway, let's talk about the software of the smartphone. So as you can see here, this is actually really nice software. I mean, it's running on Android 9 Pie with EMUI 9, the same UI that is being used by Huawei smartphones. So as you can see here, about phone, we're running on 9.0.1 EMUI with Android version 9. Yes, it's well, it's right now it's still loading some applications, but right now it's actually pretty fast. So when I've loaded up the first time, so I've experienced some slight lags, but after that, you can see here that it's very smooth. There's no upload right now, but it's very smooth to navigate on. Maybe after installing some applications, maybe we'll experience some lags and slowdowns, but right now I'm pretty happy with the Honor 8S. So we also got here the 5 megapixel f2.0 front camera, and I'm gonna show you some of the shots that I took earlier. So yeah, you've seen the shots that I took using the Honor 8S. Well, it isn't perfect. As you can see, the shots are a little bit overexposed, but I do like that it can shoot really fast and at decent lighting conditions. Sometimes it's actually pretty good. Look at this jeepney. The jeepney is actually pretty good. I like the colors. I like the shot in here. However, in some cases, again, it's overexposed. Some shots are overexposed and I do hate it. I mean, it's not as optimized as possible. Unfortunately, the camera mode is lacking. We only have beauty mode, we have only photo mode, video, and unfortunately there's no night mode on this smartphone. Hopefully an update could add some features to this smartphone. So yeah, the UI is pretty fast. It's okay. We got phone manager, we got some bloatwares that you won't probably use, but overall it's quite fine for me. I mean, this is an entry-level smartphone. This is priced at 5,490 pesos, so it's not that bad. Overall, the smartphone is pretty good for an entry-level smartphone. So if you're a first-time smartphone user, this one is actually good. We got the Dewdrop display over here. The display is actually pretty fine. It's actually vivid for an entry-level smartphone. The design is quite unique. Yes, it's made up of plastic, but I do like the design. We got here the dual textured phone body, and yes, we do got a 32 gigs of internal storage and 2 gigs of RAM. So with Helio A22 processor, I believe most applications could run on this smartphone and even some games. So yeah, I guess that's it for our hands-on and unboxing of the Honor 8S. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I am jamonline.ph. Thanks for watching our unboxing and hands-on of the Honor 8S.